crimson. I realize I'm growing older. Time goes faster every day. In my childhood days seem to last forever, but again the evening shows its face, and the river she knows all my days lost in time. The river she knows who I am. She carries my tears and she whispers my name. My secrets rest in her water. I watched the children by the river. It was only yesterday that I was their age. Time stands still, and for a moment the river whispers in the wind, and she knows all my days lost in time. The river, she knows who I am. She carries my tears and she whispers my name. My secrets rest in her water. Yes, she knows all my days lost in time. The river, she knows who I am. She carries my tears and she whispers my name. My secrets rest in her water. My secrets rest in her water. My secrets rest in her water. Near the Benwich town in a county down, one morning in Leicester, from a barren queen came a sweet colleen. She smiled as she passed me by. She looked so sweet from her two bare feet to the shade of her nut brown hair. Such a coaxing of sure I shook myself for to see that she's really there. From Bantry Bay to Derry Quay to the Galway of Dublin town, not a maid I seen like the fair colleen that I met in the county down. As I onward sped and I shook my head and I looked with a feeling rare, and I said I to a passer-by, who's the one with the nut brown hair. He smiled at me and he said he, that's the gem of Old Highland's crown. Young Rosa McKen from the banks of Ben, she's the star of the county down. From Bantry Bay to Derry Quay to the Galway of Dublin town, not a maid I see like the fair colleen that I met in the county down. At the harvest fair, sure she will be there, and I dressed in my Sunday clothes, with my head cocked right and my shoes shone bright for a smile of the nut brown rose. No bye-bye smoke nor Sally Oak till the rust in my pluck turns brown, and a smiling bride of my